From that first day when Lee came to my office, she was with her husband. She was frustrated. You can see it in her face. She was frightened. She had been enduring years of constant pain to her ankle. And, anything that I even talked about with it, whether it was an injection to her ankle or anything other than that, was just frightening to her. And she didn't want to do anything else. And it was almost on the point of where she didn't want the leg anymore. It was pretty much that severe.
I just cried. He changed my life. The pain was horrible. I couldn't walk. I had no life at all.
Just to see that I've made that difference to her, it brought a little tear, made my eyes water a little bit, to say I made an impact. And that's what I did this for. And I think that's what most physicians do this for, is to see that kind of response, to know that you're doing something for them and changing their life.
I'm a waitress, so when I would work, I would take pain medicine and it just wasn't cutting it. I would come home from work and my life was done. I couldn't move, couldn't walk. I had to use a scooter just to get around my house. It was horrible. I couldn't take the pain anymore. And as scared as I was to do the surgery, it was my only choice at this point. He was by my side the entire time. He was just so compassionate about everything. Again, I never felt like a number. He sat with me the entire time that I needed him to sit with me. And just that security helped me get through the fear of having to do the surgery. And I rolled with it. And it's the best thing I ever did. I have a life.
It makes me happy. It actually makes my day. Like, I'll go home and tell my wife, oh, my patient, was so happy about this. And, it makes my whole week, That's my reward.
I'm on my feet 7 hours, each shift. And I can go home and I can actually do things around the house and leave the house and go places. I go to the gym and I'm able to go out and do things on weekends. And it's amazing because I was literally stuck in my house for 2.5 years. I would absolutely come back to Shore Medical and have any procedure done.